Good morning, everyone! So today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup look. So if ever I have like a Zoom meeting and I know that I have to turn my video on, this is the makeup look that I put on. I rarely put on makeup now. It's because we're always just at home. Hi, Sunny. Kiss me. Let's give this a try. Is Mama pretty?
Yes.
Even without makeup?
This Boo with makeup looks so pretty.
Do you like Mama with makeup or without makeup?
With makeup.
With makeup!
Yes.
Okay. So first, you have to put on your moisturizer, of course. And then, when I feel like it, I put on this face blur.
That's eye cream.
Smoothing, pore
Eye
hiding
cream, Mama.
primer. So I just put a little.
A little lang, a little.
Just a little.
Okay. Little lang.
Just smooth my hands.
Yes, you did this with your hands.
So you just have to make sure that your hands are
Clean.
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 And I have here Color Collection BB Cream.
Mama, is it for sunscreen?
It's like a foundation, sunscreen in one.
Yeah, that's a lot, Mama. Oh, Mama, what are you putting on your face?
It's a BB cream.
BB cream?
Yes, to hide Mama's imperfections.
Oh, Mama, what is this?
It's a box.
And then it's a present.
Yes.
This is small, Mama.
Okay.
Oh,
So
you have
I
this,
like
you have this too, Mama.
BB cream
You
because
have this too.
yes, I like BB cream because it's a foundation, and they sunblock in one. You have to make sure that you blend it well, even on the sides and on the neck area.
I did that. Oh, you just spreading your face.
Okay.
Okay.
What's nice about this is I just put on a little, like a pea size, on my face, and it was already able to cover my entire face. Right?
Yes, right.
Okay, what's next? Next, we are going to put concealer.
Concealer.
So I have here 2 concealers. So I just dab it under my eye. Try to cover some of my
Look at ways to get this so clean.
dark blemishes. And then I just let it bake for a few minutes while I put on my eyeshadow. Okay, so next step is we're going to put eyeshadow.
With eyeshadow, Mama.
Yes.
Okay.
So I just use my brush. So I go for a light tone,
Mama.
this shade first.
Mama?
I actually don't know how to put makeup, but I just
Mama. I think you saw race. You're like a tiger shark.
I'm like a tiger shark.
Yes, because you have pink like champion.
And then I get like a neutral brown tone. Okay. So I got a bigger brush, and then I'm going to choose this color. I'm gonna apply it here.
What's this,
and
Mama?
here.
What's this? What's this, Mama?
It's like a silicone foundation applicator.
Me? Are you talking to me?
Yes. Okay, so I don't
Look,
think you
it's
can
so
see it, so I'm gonna choose a darker tone. Let's see. So the thing about doing Zoom calls is you have to maybe
What's this, Mama?
darker makeup.
What's this, Mama?
Hi, Natalia!
Mama, what's this?
Put darker makeup so that you can see it.
Okay, you can see it.
There. See?
Oh, this is for me.
It's makeup set. It's for girls. And then I'm going to use this to apply makeup the bottom part.
Mama, are you have makeup? My God. Oh, Mama. You're like a shark.
I'm like a shark.
Yes, shark. Yeah, then you're like a dinosaur with
Okay.
sharp stripes.
So after applying my shadow, I now blend in my concealer.
This is a shadow, Mama.
I don't know, maybe what I'm doing is wrong, but this is how I do it. And then, next I will do my contouring. So, using my bronzer.
This, Mama. This is crutch.
Okay, so I apply under my cheeks. I actually don't have
This
chin, so I just put all around my face,
Mama.
my hairline.
Mama?
Yes, my love.
What's this
You
for?
can have it. Okay, you can have it.
But what's this for? Mama?
And then,
That's so bad.
I usually put a little on my nose, just a little, because I don't want it to look too fake. Wait, hold on. What will I? Okay, so I have this contouring brush. So I use this for contouring my
Here you go, Mama.
nose area. Don't, usually you have to put bronzer or contouring makeup on the sides of your nose, but I don't know how to do that, so I just put a little here on the tip. Oh my god, it's too much. Okay, maybe you can try to blush it. Blend it upwards. Ah, I don't like this. Okay. And then you can apply highlighter on the tip of your nose. And on this, on your cheekbones, on your chin. Okay, what's next? We are going to apply blush. So I have here a peachy tone blush. This one. Just a little. And I put a little on the tip of my nose. try to put a little more since I'm going on Zoom. Sometimes you can't really see the blush color on camera. Okay. What do you think? Okay, last part is you're gonna put on lipstick. So what I do first is apply a little lip balm. And then I put on my lipstick. Let's try. Okay, next we're going to apply lipstick. So this is my favorite lipstick. This is Ivana Blanca in Amber. Let's try it on. What I like about this is it's really lightweight, very
What are you doing with this?
high pigmented,
What are you doing?
perfect for everyday use, natural, gives you a pop of color.
What are you doing with this, Mama?
Nice, right?
It's so nice, Mama. You're so pretty.
But if I feel like I need a little more color, I use this one, Anemone. Sabi, can you please get me some tissue there? Thank you.
I think okay, but we
Okay, but if I want to enhance this look, I try to apply like a brow gel. That's too much, Sabi.
Okay.
To fix my brows. So I have here like a dark brown gel. Just wanted to share with you that I haven't plucked my eyebrows in 1 year.
Here go,
Yes.
Mama. Here go, Mama. Here go.
But I don't know, I'm okay with it. I think
Here go, Mama.
sometimes
Here
plucking
go.
your eyebrows make you look older. You know how when you were a teenager, you had like really thick brows and it looked good. So that's how I feel right now. Okay, so anyway, it's not obvious sometimes in Zoom, so I'm okay with this. Okay, so put a little brow gel. And then I put more shadow, dark shadow on top of my lids. Just close to my lash. And then I also apply under. Okay.
Mama.
Okay, go.
Mama, yogurt.
Sure, go.
Mama, see after yogurt. Mama, see yes.
There. And then try to apply like light shadow here to finish it up. Oh, sorry. If I feel like, you know, if it's like gonna be like a Zoom party, I try to put like a deeper tone of lipstick, like this one, Anemone by Ivana Blanca. finish the look. Oh, forgot to curl my lashes. How could I forget? It's like the most important part. So I don't know if this is right, but this is the last thing that I do. I curl my lashes. And then I apply mascara. So that's it. That's how I do my makeup. If you have tips on how I can improve this look, just comment down below. Thank you.
Oh, Mama, 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 Mama.